Benji Magalong. Title niya is No Place for Corruption. Pahayag ito ng asosasyon ng mga retired PNP generals, yung mga graduate sa PNPA. Tawag sa kanila Lakan. Marami-rami ito. Baka aabot na ng 1,000. But sabihin na lang natin, daan-daan lang muna. Sabi ni Mayor, lubos kaming nagpapasalamat sa PNPA Lakan Retirees Association sa kanilang matatag na paninindigan laban sa korupsyon. Their manifesto is a powerful reminder that silence is never an option when our people's welfare and children's future are at stake. We will continue to pursue truth, accountability, and justice with principled leaders and fellow Filipinos. So ito, inattach ni Mayor Magalong ang manifesto ng PNPA Lakan Retirees Association. So, ulitin ko, I'm not sure kung gaano kadami. Baka aabot yan ng 1,000. So ito, PNP Lakan Retirees Manifesto of Support and Condemnation. Sinusuportahan nila ang ginagawa ni Senator Lacson at Mayor Magalong at kinokondem nila ang mga nangungurakot. Sino yung mga nangungurakot? Triangle yan. Politiko, opisyal sa gobyerno, pwedeng DPWH, pwedeng COA at ang mga contractors. Basahin ko medyo maliit. We, the PNPA Lakan Retirees Association Incorporated, can no longer remain silent in the face of massive corruption in our nation's infrastructure projects, particularly the flood control program. Ongoing Senate hearings and exposés reveal a conspiracy that robs our people of funds meant for their welfare. We stand with Senator Panfilo Lacson, Mayor Benji Magalong, and all leaders who pursue truth and accountability. We likewise support President Bongbong Marcos Jr.'s initiative to investigate the flood control project under his call, Mahiya Naman Kayo. Enough is enough. Corruption must end now. Yan. Galit na yan Tama na! Sobra na! Tigil na yung pagnanakaw. Kaya malala ko tuloy yung ongoing na protest movement ng mga students sa UP. Kumakanta sila. Martin magnanakaw, Martin magnanakaw, Martin magnanakaw si Martin. Yan ang kanta ng mga rallyista sa UP. Narinig ko lang kanina. Ano pa? We strongly condemn the plunder of public funds and betrayal of trust. Those responsible must face the full force of the law. These crimes are not only against government, but against the Filipino people and the future of our children. As retired officers, our duty to serve and protect remains. Yes, PNP. Yan ang motto na, to serve and protect. And salamat sa mga retired members ng PNPA Lakan Retirees Association. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Ano pa ito? We strongly. Their crimes are not only against government. As retired officers, silence in the face of corruption is not an option. The only thing necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men and women to do nothing. Kinot nila si Edmund Burke. Ito, permado. Police Brigadier General Rudy Lacadin, retired, President. Police Lieutenant General Roderick Armamento, retired, Vice President. Police Brigadier General Domingo Cabilan, retired, Treasurer. Sino pa ito? Police Major General Pedro E. Bulaong, retired, President Emeritus. Police Brigadier General Joaquin R. Alba, retired, Corporate Secretary. And Police Major General Elmo D. San Diego, retired, Auditor. Police Major General Lorimer Detran, retired, Public Relations Officer. Salamat po, mga kabaro. Magbasa ako sa mga comments, ha. Medyo matagal ang aking internet. Anyway, I believe ito na, simula pa lang ito. May nabasa akong comment kanina is, kumusta naman ang AFP? Susunod na rin ba? I believe yung PMA Alumni Association nagsalita na noon eh. Yung corruption sa 2025 budget, if I'm not mistaken, nagpahayag na sila. At baka nga, sana, kasi mas marami yun, mas malakas yun, mga PMAers. Lalo na, Senator Lacson and Mayor Magalong are both PMAers. Naniniwala ko na baka naghahanda na rin ng manifesto ang Philippine Military Academy Alumni Association Incorporated ng manifesto para suportahan sina Mayor Magalong, Senator Lacson at ikondena itong walang hawa, walang habas na pagnanakaw sa kaban ng taong bayan. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel nito, pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ngayon ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo ng tribo ng mas maayos nilang tirahan kasi tumutulo na ang bubong ng kanilang mga tahanan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Na panang kita inuno, wanta